Legendary playback singer S. Janaki was laid to rest with full state honors at a farmhouse near Mysuru on July 12, fulfilling her final wish to spend her last days and have her last rites performed in the city she called home. Her granddaughter, Apsara Vaidyula, performed the last rites in the presence of family members, government officials, film personalities, and hundreds of admirers. A ceremonial guard of honor was accorded by the Karnataka government. A devotee of Lord Krishna, Janaki was laid to rest with an idol of the deity in her hands. Earlier, her mortal remains were kept at Maharaja's College grounds in Mysuru, where thousands of fans, musicians, political leaders, and members of the film industry paid their final respects. Police made elaborate security arrangements to manage the large crowd at both the venue and the cremation site. Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar said the government had honored Janaki's wish to be cremated in Mysuru. He described her as one of India's greatest musical icons and said the state would explore ways to preserve her legacy. He also deputed Minister Yatindra Sidramaiah to represent the government at the funeral. Widely known as the Nightingale of South India, Janaki recorded more than 48,000 songs in around 20 languages and won 4 National Film Awards and 33 State Film Awards during a career spanning over 6 decades.